This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Lexus battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your Lexus is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set before you begin. This ensures a safe working environment for everyone involved. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your Lexus battery. It's typically under the hood, but some models might have it in the trunk. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative battery cable first. This is crucial for safety. Next, disconnect the positive cable. Finally, unfasten any battery hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of the battery tray. Remember, car batteries are heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift with your legs. Take this opportunity to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Now, gently place your new Lexus battery into the tray, making sure it's oriented correctly. Finally, let's connect your new battery. This time, you'll connect the positive terminal first. Tighten the cable securely with your 10mm wrench. Next, attach the negative terminal and ensure it's also snug and stable. Give all connections a gentle tug to confirm they are tight. Reinstall any hold-down clamps or straps. You've successfully replaced your Lexus battery, and your vehicle should be ready to start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.